Hello there, and in today's video we're going to talk about the transfer fact of Denis Zakaria to United and why this should be a good transfer. Borussia, confirmed that Zakaria would be leaving at the end of his contract, and we think he'd be a perfect fit for United. Zakaria is set to leave, as the January transfer window looms large over Old Trafford. Manchester United are beginning to get linked to a range of players. I think it's pretty clear that United do need some new signings, because we have great attacks. We have Ronaldo, Sancho, we have Bruno, we have Greenwood, etc., Telles, and we might even have Ten Hag coming in. So we definitely need new players, We need some new signings, be it at the end of the season or striking early in January. And one area that's been identified by the supporters is midfield. This is what I've been always saying. If United don't fix their midfield, we will never improve. We need to fix the midfield. If your center is in a disarray, what are the strikers going to do? What are the defenders going to do? Because the midfield is what controls the game. That's what even Sir Alex Ferguson used to say. The midfield is the position that controls the game absolutely. While Ralf Rangnick hasn't been linked to this particular player, an opportunity has emerged for the club to make a move for a holding midfielder at an affordable price. The person is Borussia's Denis Zakaria. His club has confirmed that he'll be leaving when his contract expires at the end of the season. However, due to the pressing need of United needing a holding midfielder, they might even be tempted to make a move for him in January. We think he ticks all the boxes, for the move to United. And United on my mind, Sky News, media outlets regarding to soccer news have given very important points why he can be the next big midfield transfer to United. Point one, he fits. Let's be real, Manchester United's midfield is a league below Chelsea, Man City and Liverpool. Sure, there are some brilliant individual players, but none of them have any similar attributes. Look at one thing common between Liverpool, Chelsea and Man City. They all have very strong midfield. You could argue that Fred, Paul Pogba and Scott McTominay have a similar qualities because they're box-to-box midfielders, but not defensive one. We do not have a player who can be a defensive and an offensive midfielder at the same time. We lack that. Zakaria would be a brilliant signing because he can, cover for the defense and transition the ball quickly to the attack. Yeah, if he can do that, surely, the Borussia Mönchengladbach hasn't been, great this season, but under Marco Rose, they shine by using two midfielders in a 4-2-3-1. Zakaria was one of those who was exceptional. At United, Rangnick plays with two midfielders in the middle, so Zakaria would slot straight in. Unlike at other clubs who might have better depth in the midfielder, he'd be the perfect fit for United. The continuation of German fever. Since the 2017-18, Zakaria has played in the Bundesliga, so he'll know that German game is based on speed, high pressing and intensity. While Ralf Rangnick hasn't been able to stamp his philosophy on the current United setup yet, and it will take time, as I said. A team will not improve overnight. Trust me, a team will not improve overnight. You can't get a coach and the next day the team is bloody, it's Bayern Munich. That's not gonna happen. Have some patience, and he has to slowly throw these players out. Zakaria could be the perfect midfielder to execute this. And he'll still have a consultancy role. Whether he stays as the coach or leaves, he'll have a consultancy role for 2 years, at the club, and he'll have, an issue to prove. A move for Zakaria would tick a lot of boxes. He completed a 4.9 successful pressure per 90 this season, only bettered by Fred, Bruno Fernandes and Paul Pogba. So, he's just behind them, which means he's very, very good. And the Bundesliga is also a very competitive league. Trust me, it's not I think United supporters would be pretty happy with the move for Zakaria because he can be, a main holding midfielder. United need a defensive midfielder. That's something I've been saying, and again, we need a strong defensive midfielder, And United only have 33-year-old Nemanja Matic as the number 6 in the team, and he clearly cannot do the job the team needs in the middle of the pitch. Zakaria can do the defensive elements, and that's prove it. This season he's averaged 1.72 tackles, 2.48 blocks, and 2.41 interceptions per game, all while maintaining a 90% passing accuracy. Knowing there isn't much competition in the holding midfield department, he has a rare opportunity to be almost guaranteeing a starting spot, one of the biggest clubs in the world. Why would he turn it down? He'll be very cheap to get, so United should be trying all they can to get him. Dennis Zakaria would be very, very cheap to get, you know. So they should try their best to sign him. They should try their very, very best, absolute best to sign this player. Dennis Zakaria is being linked with Manchester United in the January transfer window. So we've used Football Manager, Raniak has steadied the ship at United, and the German could set to add up his squad in the January transfer window. That's what I'm saying again and again. Unless Raniak is able to get a new midfielder, whether it's Zakaria, Amdu Hadira, whoever that is, unless we get a new midfielder, at least two new midfielders, Manchester United will keep on suffering. And Dennis Zakaria could just be the addition which turns the team absolutely around. Zakaria is not the type of player to contribute heavily towards goals and assists, but can influence games through this defensive performance and the ability to win the ball back and create attacking moves. And the Swiss midfielder is used to playing in a midfield pair with, Mönchengladbach, utilizing the 25-year-old mainly as a defensive midfielder, but also as a centre back when required due to his impressive physical attributes. So if Zakaria was to make a move to United in January, what sort of impact could he have on the Ralf Raniak side? So what do you think his impact could be, Dennis Zakaria? So I personally think Dennis Zakaria would have a huge impact on Manchester United. He could have a big impact, And with this huge impact, he could definitely, have a good impact. He could have a huge impact. Because as I'm saying again and again, we lack a good midfield. We have a great attack, but that's all we have. Attack is our USP, but even that's slowing down. That's slowing down because we have a very, very weak, a very, very slow midfield. The day we fix our midfield, we fix our game. Because even great players like Sir Alex Ferguson have said, a game of football is controlled inside the midfield. The midfield is the position that controls the game of football. So the day you fix the midfield is the day you fix the football. Look, I'm also a big fan of United, and I love, the club, and I know it's going through a tough phase, but trust me, if we get just one good midfielder in January, or even two or one good midfielder, a good CDM and a good defender, trust me, the entire game will change. Trust me. So don't be demotivated, that Wolves defeat us. It might happen, no team is unbeatable forever. Okay, that's a myth. Even it's Man United, Man City, whoever that is, no team, even Chelsea lost a few days ago, so Man City lost a few days ago, so no team is unbeatable. Even Liverpool lost 2-7 to West Ham, remember that. So no team is unbeatable. The team has a bad phase. We have to wait for the transfer window, and then we can definitely improve, okay? So Dennis Zakaria will be the next transfer target of Manchester United, and wait for more transfer news. And thank you for showing all the love towards me. I'll be bringing in new news, okay? Till then, take care.